Okay, welcome back. This is going to be a short review on the JBL Go 2, which is a very small little Bluetooth speaker by JBL. I'm just going to be going over what it does and then a little sound test. I'm not sure how useful that is, but I'll do it anyway. So it charges via a normal mic USB, and it's got a normal headphone jack input if your device doesn't have Bluetooth or for some reason you don't want to use it. It's got Bluetooth, but it lacks the connect features that other ones have. So this cannot be connected to any other speaker here. It's just by itself. But it's very light, so and definitely pocketable. So there isn't really much else to say, really. It's a speaker, so I'll show you a little sound test, and then there should be another video hopefully up on the channel where comparing it to the clip, which might be more useful, so go check that out.
Dark, we are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are